Hi, today we're going to take down a unboxing review and taste test look at Haus Vape Juice Dark Ice Menthol. So yeah, it's from the Haus company, and if you know their lineup, most of their stuff is a bid miss except for Sweet Voodoo Melon. That one's actually a great hit. Great one to vape during summertime. They also make the Cosmic Fog collection, which is kind of weird, but they do. Cosmic Fog collection is their premium vapes, which has a lot more flavor and way better information on there. And then their standard brand, this Halls brand, which is from their craft collection. No, they need to go back and they need to work on their crafts, their little arts and crafts, because this craft collection is pretty much garbage. I mean, the worst two flavors so far from their craft collection are the Moon Milk. It has this weird, chalky, nasty taste to it that's kind of disgusting. And then there's their other one, the Cloud Punch, which has little to no flavor at all. It has a little bit of flavoring from the Moon Milk. That's what you kind of taste. If you try Moon Milk, then you know what I'm talking about with the Cloud Punch. That it kind of has that flavor, but it's toned down a lot. Just like that to really no flavor. It doesn't have any flavor that they mentioned on the box. So like I said, from the Halls lineup goes the Sweet Voodoo Melon. That one's a good one. From their premium collection, Neon Orange is good, which sounds like an orange dream creamsicle, but it's not. It's a sherbet. And their Q Berry is pretty good. That's it. They only kill like about 3 flavors so far. That's good. As far as this one, I'm not really sure on this one yet. Okay? But if you don't know, in the whole vaping, e-liquid flavor community, anytime there's a flavor that's, there's a standard flavor, and then there's one that looks just like it, same as that flavor, but it says ice on there. Ice is kind of like the vaping e-liquid juice code word for menthol. Like, okay, like here's this Lunar Harvest one. I don't know how good you can see on camera here. It's pretty much every bottle because I love this one. This one's a very great blueberry flavor. Blueberry to the mats. Yep, this one's a blueberry one. But as I'm saying right here, you can see that it says ice on the side here. Because my local brick and mortar, dealer that I go to, he was like, hey, I know you're looking for the ultimate, true, blueberry flavored vape e-liquid juice. Because he knows I go in there like, you got any like berry flavors? And it's like, yeah, this one's like from Italy or France. I can't exactly remember which one it was. But it's called Minced Berry. I'm like, Minced Berry. Sounds good. Disgusted, nasty, no flavor at all. It was, yeah. This one, you want some blueberry? And you want one that actually says blueberry? Because I've seen all these other ones that's like, oh, it has strawberries, and it has honeydew, and it has raspberries. Oh, it has blueberries. But where's the blueberry flavor and taste? Right here it is. And it's like, do you want the water or do you want the ice? I was like, what's the difference between water and ice? I mean, the bottles say the same as that brand, same as that flavor, just one has the word ice on there and one doesn't. And explain to me, if it doesn't say ice, it's just, it's going to taste like blueberries. If it says ice in any e-liquid vape juice that says the word ice on there, that means menthol. I'm like, then why don't they just say blueberry menthol flavor? It's like, I know it's kind of weird. It's just like, if you buy knit salts, they don't say that, oh, it's 30 milligrams of nicotine or it's 50 milligrams of nicotine. For knit salts, they say it's 0.3 milligrams of nicotine or 0.5 milligrams of nicotine. And like 0.5, that's not a lot because, usually I vape like 3 milligrams of nicotine with this stuff. So 0.5 is like 2 more milligrams more, right? That's what you figure, you're vaping usually a 3 milligrams, so 0.5, you're like, yeah, yeah, about 2 more milligrams, 5 more milligrams of nicotine. Nope! You're wrong! 0.5 milligrams of net salt is reality 50 freaking milligrams of nicotine. Yeah, let that sink in for a minute there. He's like, yeah, I know. I don't get it either. Why can't he just say, hey, this net salt is 50 milligrams of nicotine. This net salt is 30 milligrams of nicotine. You know, like that. Hey, get rid of the word ice and put menthol. This flavor is just blueberry. This flavor is blueberry with menthol. Yeah, but according to these vaping e-liquid juice companies, they're like, no, net salts, it has to be 0.3 and it has to be 0.5, even though it's 30 milligrams and 50 milligrams of nicotine. Oh, it has to say ice on there, even though it's menthol flavor. Yeah, it's weird how they kind of like got it all jacked up. But yeah. Anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, back to the unboxing review. I just had to get that out of the way, because I know some people that might be new to vaping might look on websites and stuff, you know, and be like, oh, I see this flavor, like, for example, you know, this blueberry flavor, but then I see the exact same one right next to it in the image picture that says they also sell it in ice. So, like, it's saying, like, they may say, like, blueberry, and the one right next to it says blueberry ice. You know, ice is vaping code for menthol. Don't know why they just can't come out and say, hey, blueberry was menthol. But no, it's blueberry or blueberry was ice. So yeah, just to let some of you newbies know about, you know, what the ice stands for. If you see the same exact flavor, but one says ice, one doesn't say ice. And, you know, all us old school vapors, we pretty much know what that means. But this is kind of a little bit more for the newbies, explaining what the ice means. You know? Anyway. Let's take a look at this. So yeah, I mean, the print is real small on here. 30 ml bottle, so about 30 milliliter bottle with 4 milligrams of nicotine. Okay? Yep. But what's the VG-PG ratio? Not on the box. Is it on the side? Nope. Other side? Nope. Top? Nope. Bottom? Nope. Okay, it's gotta be on the back, right? Nope. PG-VG ratio, not anywhere on the box. So what is the flavor dark ice flavor supposed to be? Dark ice mixes peppermint and spearmint-like flavors to create a true menthol experience. Cool and uplifting. Dark ice remains minty sweet while providing sugary nauseous. Okay. So yeah, pretty much it just came right out and said it'd be a menthol flavor that you're vaping. So it even says it right under dark ice menthol. So I mean, I do give, you know, Halls a little bit of credit for actually coming out and saying the word menthol, because you are vaping menthol because it's ice, you know. So here's what it looks like. So what about the PG-VG ratio? Well, here's a little insert. Ew, would you let that? Nowhere on the mother effing box or on the freaking bottle could they put the PG-VG ratio. But only after you buy the product, after you open up the product, and you take out the stupid little paper insert, is the VG-PG ratio. Our stupid piece of paper on the inside of the box packaging. What the F? No, seriously, what the F? I mean, you let any other bottle, like, for example, like Silverbat here. Come on, focus. And you can see, tells you 3 milligrams of nicotine, the flavor, how big the bottle is, so how much juice is in there, about 120 milliliters, and right there, the VG-PG ratio, right on the mother effing bottle. 70/30. But nope, this Hall brand, they have to put it on this little piece of paper on the insert of the box. Nowhere could they put it on the bottle. The bottle just says, hey, it's 4 milligrams of nicotine. Hey, it's a 30 ml bottle. That's it. VG-PG ratio? No, not on the bottle. Okay, what about on the box? Nope, not on the box. But on a little piece of paper that's inside the box after you purchase the box. Yeah, bad marketing idea. I mean, at least with their cosmic fog question, it was put it on the box, it was put it on the bottle, and they didn't need to put any paper inserts in, because they didn't, because they're like, yo, you want to know your VG-PG ratio? Lay the box before you make the purchase. After you made a purchase, you can't remember the PG-VG ratio? Grab the bottle, lay in the bottle, there's your PG-VG ratio. Good job. This? So we're going to be vaping on the Smoke V2 species here. That should be about enough in there. Now, it may look like there's not that much in there, but as you can see, there is enough in there, so I'm not going to hit any dry hits. It's a bubble tank, so looking at the top side, at an angle, it's kind of hard to see. If you let it kind of like from the bottom and up like this, you can see there's plenty of juice in there for it to be wet. It's going to be wet, and, you know, no dry hits. So we're all good, because I know some people was like, dude, there's not enough juice in it. You're going to get dry hits. No, I'm not going to get dry hits. It's just a little hard to see on camera because, you know, it's a bubble tank versus a straight glass tank. Anyway, let's bring the camera up. And